Staging a property for sale can be a challenge. Not only are we responsible for sourcing quality furnishings for our clients, but it can become a logistical nightmare. And that's why I turned to CORT. Hey, Tori here with Toth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. Home stagers, listen up. Chances are you did not join this creative profession to be moving and storing inventory daily. I know owning or even affording a warehouse of furniture in the New York City area was not in my business plan when I opened Stylish Stagers Inc. back in 2009. Partnering with CORT takes the hassle and expense out of owning my own furniture. The process is simple and easy. When I get a new property to stage, I head to CORT's website to look for the perfect pieces and put a quote together for my client. They have a variety of trendy pieces to fit any style, from traditional and timeless to modern. Or visit a local showroom with select locations across the country to come in, see, feel, and touch the variety of products CORT has to offer your clients. They have all the major pieces to furnish a living room, dining room, bedroom, even the home office. As a home stager, it's great to work with a company like CORT because you allow them to do all the heavy lifting so you can focus on your business. There's a fast turnaround time. Visit their website at CORT.com to learn about how your business can become more efficient when you partner with a team that focuses on details to provide a smooth transition for your clients. Happy selling!